We're going to talk about Aircrack. Now, Aircrack is a set of utilities that are useful for cracking WEP and WPA1 access networks. So you would use Aircrack in order to gather data so that we can perform the attack, as well as actually performing the attack itself. I've got Kali Linux here, and the Aircrack suite actually gets installed on Kali Linux by default. So I'm going to run it from here. Aircrack will actually run on a number of operating systems, including Windows. Let me just show you the different Air utilities. So I've got Aircrack Next Generation, Air Decap, Air Decloak, Air Driver, Air Replay, Airmon, and then Aero Dump, which we can use to actually capture packets over the air. And we've got AeroLib, AirServe, AirTun, and so on. So these are the different tools that are available in Kali that are part of the Aircrack suite of tools and utilities. Now, what we need to be able to do is put our network card into monitor mode. So what I want to do here is see what I've got for a wireless network interface. And you can see I've run iwconfig, and that's going to show me the network interfaces that actually have wireless extensions associated with them. So ETH0 and my loopback interface, no wireless extensions, not surprising. WLAN 1, however, you can see it's 802.11bg, and it's not associated with anything at the moment. So what I want to do is say airmon-ng, and I'm going to say start WLAN 1. Now, I can also associate this with a particular channel if I knew the actual access point that I wanted to attack and I knew what channel it was operating on. I would specify the channel here. And I'm not actually going to attack anything in particular. I'm just going to say channel 6. So let's start it up on channel 6. And you can see that we're actually started up. Monitor mode has been enabled. If I run iwconfig now you will see I have mon0 in addition to WLAN 1. Now I've got my network interface card in monitor mode, which means I'm going to be able to get all of the radio traffic that I wouldn't get if I were just using WLAN 1. So I've created a whole new interface called mon0. And with mon0, I can do, for example, air replay. When I could perform a replay attack, I can run Aero Dump now on the monitor interface. I just ran Aero Dump and specified that I want to use mon0 as my interface. I'm now capturing all of the radio packets that are coming in on my monitor interface. And you can see all of the packets that we're actually capturing now using Aero Dump. So as I said, there's a whole suite of programs that come with Aircrack. Later on, we'll get into actually doing the cracking of a network that is using WEP, and we'll do one with WPA. So I'll show you the entire process later on, but right now I just wanted to show you the initial tools and get you familiar with the tools that are part of Aircrack and how you would make use of them. Specifically, how you need to put your network interface card into monitor mode. That's going to be something that we need to do as we perform additional testing and attacks, and certainly use additional tools that need that monitor mode set up on our wireless card.